Can't believe you don't know who this is.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. I can't believe you don't know who this is. How can you not know who this is? What's up? It's all like right here. Thanks. No.
Another porn.
Porn!
Look at our dead, ugly grass.
Yeah. So-called greatest grass in Tucson.
Well, actually it is, because someone's grass is
Sound like a little... Again.
Everyone's gonna want to throttle you. Here you go, it's dying.
Wait. You guys, you're mean, because that was me laughing, and I was having fun. So, See that laugh?
So people think I'm cute. I'm adorable.
I'm adorable, too.
Well, I love like...
Okay. Oh, I just almost stepped on your glasses. I'm sorry. Bird poop. It's bloody. It's all bloody.
Okay, here, my turn. Okay.
What do you want me to do? Hey, look, Sophia's finally not wearing a jacket for once, you guys.
More scars.
Wow.
Oh,
Am I supposed to do it?
Yeah.
okay,
Do it right now.
Okay.
To me, baby.
Okay. You don't know who this is? Oh my god, they killed